You're such an asshole.
Wop 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 wop. Fuck 'em up.
May I
I
take
can't
a
hear
look?
them, bro.
I have some experience with
Hold the
dimensional
fuck up.
anomalies.
These shitty ass headphones.
Sure.
Ratchet and Clank. There we go.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Shit, we in the
you don't
magic
know?
room.
Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup.
Type shit.
Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary.
Yeah, twin ass is yapping.
Here we are, Clank, former warbot.
Wait till I
teamed
finish
up with
this.
the Lomabxes, became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your
Oh,
father?
you lucky I can't. The fuck? I do not want to hear your yap right now,
Fix
little
the
bro.
dimensions? And why are
Yep,
there copies
yep,
of me
yep.
running around?
I'm already knowing I'm
There are
supposed
your
to.
possibilities.
Oh shit!
The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere.
I'm already knowing.
This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an
Oh.
anomaly from
Whoa! That didn't work out.
like you, because that's how you interpret dimensionality.
How the fuck?
As you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them
I
to
tried to do
a
that shit the
better
first
terminal
time.
land, you will begin to repair this anomaly.
Oh, I'm already getting it. Come on now, easy.
Now, enter the meta terminal, and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
Yeah, make some shit difficult for me. Oh, so we having mini games and shit.
Slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking,
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier.
Oh
This should
wow.
give me a lift. Do you
Swap
live in Sargasso
equipped
too, Gary?
spear. Okay.
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional
How I get
knowledge
this?
I've ever seen.
Can I pick this shit up? Oh, hold on. Hold on now. That's how I pick that shit up. Now let me get this. Yup. Speed.
That device may be able to redirect my
Easy.
possibilities.
Oh
There must
shit.
be a way to activate it.
This shit got them going off the edge. Go straight, gang.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic.
Little ass mini game. Shit. They better give me some real shit before I get back to going back to being a dwarf.
These puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
Okay, I was gonna say, is that shit gonna come down on their ass?
Already. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a
Oh.
lot riding on this.
Got my
Like,
shit
a
on.
lot, a lot.
Go straight.
Fix this anomaly. Will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are
Okay, no, I gotta get through there, no matter what. I gotta get through
I'm
there.
afraid a
But how?
dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with
Ah!
which
The Dimensionator?
caused. Indeed.
Maybe I gotta sprint.
But if having anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality,
Oh, hold on.
I think you'll soon be able to learn.
Oh,
how
shit, I'm
to save
stupid.
us all. Hopefully.
I forgot I can do that.
Wonder if I will be able to solve
makes
all of
sense.
this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since
Now I'm gonna put this.
and
Hold on, let me handle
everything
this.
that happened with the Dimensionator,
And let me get that.
certain.
Let me get that.
Times of great stress,
Let me get this.
which every day of my life. I've always found it best
Combos.
to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in
Oh
front
fuck.
of you.
Wait, they don't. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta go get this. Okay. How do I get over there? Oh shit. Alright. Shawty, I need you. Come here. Let's go. Our bunga. I need you, Shawty.
This should lighten things up.
Hey, teleport. Wait, what the fuck? This a green ball? I thought this was something different. Oh, see? Stupid as hell. Now, we gotta keep that one up. We have to speed boost, then jump, but they need to go straight. So, let's see if this works. Speed boost, jump. Ooh-wee. Oh, yes, baby.
That's it, Clank. You repaired the anomaly, and now we're one
I like that,
step
man.
closer
It's
to
all about the
stopping
brain.
Dimensional cataclysm.
Gotta be able to use that brain. Let me see what that brain talking about, baby. Forward Clank.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better
Nah,
hide that
crazy.
lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
Twin ass was stuck mid combo.
Am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you? Look who it is!
See what I'm saying?
You
And
would
one.
not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and I...
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
That's what I like to hear right there.
Gotta lower the bridge and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
I need
You'll
Clank
find
back.
out soon.
On my soul. Whoa! They getting lit over here. Hold on, I want to use. No, I said these. Oh, gassed up, shawty. Said I need my 40. Pull up to the party. Yeah. Bad bitch, she let around swagging. Holy shit.
Sure are one big grunt.
Boy, oh, back up now.
Enough ammo.
Hey, you pull up on that shit, you get hit with that shit. I ain't used this yet. Yeah. Hit him with it again. Don't stop. Word, don't stop. Word till you can't free. That shit not really hitting though, not gonna lie. We're going fully automatic. Oh shit. Damn. Fully automatic. Hold on, before I take you out, you would be a nice one, brother. Work till you can't feed. Work till you can't feed. Work, don't stop. Work, don't stop. I probably should get him standing up. That'd be a better one. Yeah, I wish I could turn that fucking brightness down. Turn the exposure down. Now let's do that. Yeah.
No more hostiles within range.
Easy.
Bridged your hideout for protection, but the controls to lower it.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find
Didn't
a
even
way
know I
over.
had to do that shit. Just did that shit on accident.
Don't tell me. My gloves
Of course.
can interact with that drift thing.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
Boy. fuck they at? Oh. Boy, I'm on one. Boy. I ain't need no special weapons for you lame ass kids. No, climb up the wall. My baby. Okay. Guess not. Bitch! Leave him alone! Yeah, don't be trying to die. No shit, I'm hit you with that hand. You gotta be fucking joking. Boy, you better stay back with that. Boy. Oh, we got the little dogs out. Them shit scared of me. Them dogs don't want me. Oh, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Beat all your asses, man. I just know they need to stop. Hey. Stop pulling up, bro. This shit is getting extraordinary ass whoopings handed out everywhere.
You as well.
Boy. Stop shooting at them. Fuck. I need to get up there. Come on now. Combo God.
Now to lower the bridge.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Rivet. Just
No problem.
when those troublemakers showed up.
Turn the hammer. Oh.
Bridge, seriously?
See, bro, the shit just fucking broke. How am I supposed to? Holy shit, I just about fell off.
There has
Stop,
to be another way
controllers.
across.
What we got?
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Yes,
Just
sir.
open it out.
Oh, hold on.
I may regret suggesting this, but what about the Speedle?
What about it?
Fuck.
Oh.
I forgot. Bro, I forgot that's how you jump off. Damn. No way I just threw my only rod off. Bro, I tried to speed boost. Bro, I need another Speedle. Fuck, I might have to die, bro. I might have to reset. I didn't mean to throw Buddy off the fucking edge. Damn, I gotta reset, bro. This don't count, bro. Cowabunga! No. Oh, they just pop out of that shit? There we go.
Let's go.
That's how you launch R1.
Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
Okay.
Do
Grunthor.
regret this.
Come on. We both know how
I'm hitting him with
much
that
you
shit.
hate
It don't even matter. I ain't even moving. Whoa! Hold on now, chill that shit. Fuck, I'm trying to hold it. There we go. 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 Kiss me, now you gotta kiss me. There we go. There we go. There we go. Leave me the fuck alone. God damn it. Y'all can't step up with me. Can't step. Don't run. Is he running from that shit? Thinking rocks gonna save his life. I got that gin. But now I got that motherfucking peach. Peach. Now y'all get y'all ass back. I ain't playing with nobody.
Now for my final enemy, Mortis' pressure rocks.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep. Morts are funny like
I
that.
tried to goddamn do it with this motherfucker, but it didn't let me.
Time to find out the truth about
Super
you.
speed.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet
Oh
home.
God, what Ratchet at,
Why
bro?
are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not.
Shawty ain't got
Trying
shit to do
to
with
help
this.
Ratchet find the other Lomabxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City. Whew. Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I
We
have
don't
been saying
lie. We don't lie, bro.
repeatedly,
We don't do all that lying shit. We don't lie.
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look,
Mhm.
whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Shawty just plugged gang ass up. It seems like a bomb.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
What?
no.
Shawty just saw. I'm mad about that little shit.
Hey, that's my annoying robot.
Shit, that's Clank shit. On my brother now. That's Clank little shit.
Hang in there, Bolts.
Hold on, I kind of like this pic. Sheesh. Oh, now this is a nice one. Hold on. Oh my god, I didn't even do that. I want to change, like... Well, shit, I can put frames on this bitch. Damn, can I get a frame where I can actually tell what the hell that shit is saying? Alright. Seems like we have no... I mean... Not one simple fucking frame. I'll go with that one. I like that. Lower it. And hide. We're gonna go just like that. Now that's a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. Oh, R1 is the speed boost. I keep pressing X. That was a nice flick. I can't count. Move, little bitch.
That Seekerpede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
And how many of that? Oh shit, I see. Fuck.
Gotta say, Bolts. Hey, that's my annoying robot.
Oh, hell no. I died off impact. Oh, that's embarrassing. I thought I could like jump off one of those little shits, but it didn't. Yeah, that didn't work. Then I tried to hit the ramp. Twin, I hit under the ramp. I mean, L steering.
That Seekerpete's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I
Type
can
shit.
get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Back. Now I gotta actually make it to the ramp instead of, you know. I won!
Flight stabilizer.
Oh my god, I'm like that. Damn. Damn.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
I'm not. If I had to say so myself.
I am not impressed.
What the fuck? He just teleported through that shit. That little shit to get me.
Back my robot.
Look at the dash. Yeah, we just gonna stay with the automatic. Oh, I dodged that little shit.
The Emperor's got
I'm
some
digging in
weak
his shit.
standards, if that's all you got.
Fuck.
I do like
I don't even give a fuck about these little robots. Come on now.
has almost restored the flight stabilizer.
Come on now.
How delightful.
Come on now.
No, you're not getting away
I don't get
from
no
me.
fucks. Come on, I'm ripping his shit. I'm straight digging it. Oh boy. Oh, don't run. Please don't run from this shit.
Time to change tactics. Deploy
Yeah.
amphibious explosives.
Nah, Shy, that ain't how it works.
You're not getting away from me.
On my brother, that ain't how it works.
Gotta say
Where is he going? He in my car on the highway. He's trying to run. Move. I see a path. You feel me? Damn. Hella crashing. He gotta be good. Oh, he came out with that hot shit movie. Can I even hit him with these? Damn, they only take 3? Yeah, I might as well stay on this little shit. He's taking the most damage out of any little thing I got. Yeah. Yeah. Rip through this little shit. Hold on, let me see what this little hoe talking about. Damn, it didn't even connect. Like, that's crazy. Fuck these dudes. Fuck these dudes. Fuck these dudes. They trying to stop my grind. Bro, I run out of ammo, bro. Oh my god. There we go. Oh lord. Little setback for a major comeback. I'm out of here.
This is
Oh
unfortunate.
man. Oh.
You okay, Bolts?
Bolt.
Came after me. Thank you.
His name is Clank.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business.
That's real right there.
We should see if Mort fixed
He's
up the
genuinely happy.
ship. By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of
Oh,
yours?
I thought we could end up, you
That
know,
would
you
be
feel me, get into that whole hacking that hole.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Alright, Shotty, she becoming a little bit more understanding, a little bit more trusting with him. That's what we like to see right there. Improvement. Yeah, get me the fuck up out of here, yo. Oh, damn, we was right across the street.
Ship's ready and waiting for ya.
Bad.
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchkey? Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save
Shawty on the
before
hit list
Emperor
and she
finds
didn't
us
know it.
too.
Oh fuck, where we gotta go? Oh shit. Nefarious City. Search the factory. There's a reported resistance activity at the factory by the bazaar. Locate the part to repair Clank. Yeah, we gonna repair Clank. What are you telling me?
What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
You thinking about my brother Ratchet, bro?
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart.
Yeah, that's real.
That Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Damn,
Right.
antenna bent. I'm all out of shape. Or Clank all out of shape. Look for the
So, this is, Xerxes
Xerxes.
Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I
bet.
hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional
Hold up.
cataclysm.
Hold that thought.
Make your enemies go.
Say, is that
A lightning
thunder
rod.
Here, rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their.
Now we're talking. But I don't have none of the money to be talking.
Sweet cheeks.
What's this?
Who doesn't love it?
Oh yeah, that little. Oh yeah, I know what that is. It turned him into like a. Oh my god.
Who's that bad boy?
Hold on, I got hella shit to upgrade. Ricochet. What's this? Timing window, good timing damage, good timing damage. Yeah, I don't need to upgrade that shit. Not gonna lie, I'm finna go crazy on the blast pistol because I do hits to the head do bonus damage. Wait, which one do I not have yet? Oh, these ones. Rapid fire shots are more accurate. 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 Oh my god.
I cannot wait to see where this goes.
Oh my god. I was gonna say.
Ooh, now look at that.
Woo. Oh, so when you do that, it gets those. Oh, that's crazy, baby.
Guess the upgrade.
All right, I'm gonna
train
leave out of
stops
this one,
here.
and I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade the Shatter Bomb. Why not? Increase max ammo. Shots fire at a higher rate. I'm gonna do that one. Nice.
I hope you are right.
Continue.
The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of
It's what I'm supposed to be going back.
dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet,
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Yeah, we finding Ratchet on everything.
Your newly interdimensional gastropub and battle.
Oh shit, what's up?
I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Oh shit.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming.
Damn,
Xerxes.
Twin took all my
We
little shit.
slaughter with a smile.
Oh dang,
Xerxes
this
usually
bitch.
behind the bar. He'll know where to find the
Gang,
pilot for spare
gang,
parts.
gang, 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 gang. Look for Zerky in the gastropub.
no. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Ribbit.
No.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
There's no way that's
Follow
him.
me here. Another fruitless effort to win my affection.
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet,
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is
I love people like him.
Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree, so take it outside.
Oh boy.
I am more lover than fighter. And for you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
Shit, I get it.
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Oh damn. Damn, I gotta start in ooh. Do I get those boots? I gotta start in bronze. I'm trash. What going?
Welcome, my thieves, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage?
Battle Pierce Crew. I just upgraded this little shit so they cook. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he came up behind me. I forgot this ain't the same dot. I've been playing Dragon Age. I'm double tapping circle thinking I'm a midget. Oh my god.
Every dimension has a dangerous depth.
I forgot how to. I just died on bronze. I'm trying to talk shit. Died on bronze on wave 1, by the way. Bitch, I'm not playing around. I came out this bitch playing games. That's one thing I don't fucking do is play games. I gave you one chance, and you literally fucked me over. God damn it. What if I shoot him? Huh? 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 Pull up. Fuck. Pull up. Pull up with that shit. Let me see your shit on. Come on now. Y'all little shit ain't on nothing. Hey, let me get. Slide cancel. I'm not playing with their ass no more. Fuck. 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 Come on now. How the fuck I look through my weapon wheel again? Okay, yeah. Triangle. That's a way better way. Hey, so good you're honorable. She's trying to do it like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go. I done did the impossible. Man, these kids right here weak. I was not supposed to die, bro. Like, I got cornered, bro. Come on, bro. I really died to these motherfuckers. Go, 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 go. That's so good shit on the way. Gotta do like a carnival. Like, they can't even get out of the fucking spawn. Bitch. Wait. Oh, cuz tried to pull up on the kids. Verona. 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 Hold on. Verona. That shotgun get it done. Even though I upgraded that pistol, that motherfucker still don't hit like this. Wait, 4. Damn, how many ways we? Oh wait, ain't it like 5? Yeah, it says 0 out of 5 on that shit. I thought I had to do this 5 times. Pull up then. Oh shit, there you go. Oh, that shit locked on. Put your ass down. Damn, look up. Damn. Fuck. Wrong. Your cousin. They take one shot. I ain't even gotta do too much on their ass. Fuck. Wrong cousin. Damn, why stop? Bitch. 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 I do like that gun. Ha. Under no fault. Going straight backs out in slow motion and all. Man, get this shit done with. That's the end of. Boy. That's the end of wave 5. You feel me? You get all that. Yeah. Now give me the goddamn piece, brother.
My ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. What?
Less attractive stunt double. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You're cooked, brother. I'm out of straight laundry shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, the middle just fucking a hole. But it was not a hole right there before. Oh, cuz not letting up. Whoa! I definitely dodged that one, but I'll take it. Show bitch ass up. Show bitch ass. Switch weapon. My God, I tried to switch like years ago. Get these fucking animals. Yeah, get them off the field. There ain't no room for them on this field. Holy shit, that jump is insane. Let me pull up on your ass here. Stop playing with your ass. God damn it, these little fucking bugs under me. Oh, I ran ammo. God damn it. Get the fuck away from these little bugs. Oh, he cooked. 3, 2, 1. Cook him down. Whew. That's it? Yeah, that gotta be it. I'm like that.
A defeat? But eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your back.
Appreciate it. Now I'm guessing I can probably do that whenever I want to, because I did see silver and gold.
Ooh.
Cool, like that.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lomabx take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lomabxes now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow.
That's crazy.
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's
Now you got 2 shots.
We gotta get him and us out of here, but
without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary.
A whole new
He
one,
would
though?
know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then.
Cool, got the
I'm
tricks.
glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Hey, we the same in one.
Another Lomabx.
W. Oh, fuck!
Let's build this thing.
I didn't catch it. Another Lomabx.
Nice work back there. we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizzard Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up. You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a dimensionator.
Yep, I was about to say,
We all knew it wasn't
you gotta be way different than what you talking about, twin. I know it can't be that easy.
Phase quartz is
one of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Hey there, Rivet. If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
I'm alright now.
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't.
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for a...
Bro just did the rage chair bounce.
So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent Lomabxes running around trying to ruin everything. So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive. But
3 squillion is so
so I
crazy.
can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those Lomabxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious
Twin
hit
is
And he knows where
wigging.
we are going.
How does he know that though? That's what I want to know. Okay, so we can go find the Dimensionator blueprints,
Ratchet finds that prophet soon.
find the phase quartz, nefarious city, search, find Clank. Okay, damn, become the bronze champion for bolts and prizes. So I can come back there and, you know, keep fighting if I want to. Sheesh. I'm gonna take my ass in nefarious city, but I'm done. Only because I gotta go record other videos, other accounts. Hey, work, don't stop, twin. Work till you can't beat. Work till you can't beat. Nah, but catch me again. I'm probably gonna be on Dragon Age next time you see a post, but shit, let me know if y'all want some more Ratchet and Clank, and I'll stay on this motherfucker. I'm probably gonna beat this game off camera, most likely. But, you know, let me know. Hey, I'm a gamer, man. That's just how I be when you a gamer. You just trying to get everything done. You trying to play everything available. And that's just how I be. I'm trying to play everything available. When the time is I'm cold. I'm fucking that shit, I wanna stop my eyes, don't get high. You should even think about that shit, it's talking out the eyes. When I think about my skill set, like breath off your mind. When I think about all that you always I'm always running to dead and I'm pretty bad. Baby, I'm not a bad man, my choice made me find someone.